Hello student, welcome to today's chemistry lecture alcohol, phenols and ethers. Now student, in previous lecture we had completed the part of preparation method. Now student, in today's lecture we are going to discuss the chemical properties of ethers. There are three main chemical properties of ether. First one, laboratory test for ether. Second one, reaction involving alkyl group of ether. Third one, reaction involving CO bond, which include again three types of reaction. First one, reaction with hot sulfuric acid. Second one, reaction with phosphorus pentachloride. And third one is the reaction with hydrogen halide. So, we will continue or we will start one by one in details. So first of all, we study the laboratory test for ethers. Now student, these ethers are the neutral compound in aqueous medium. हे जे काही इथर्स आहेत हे ॲक्वियस सोल्युशनमध्ये कसे आहेत तर न्यूट्रल्स आहेत. दॅट्स वाय दीज इथर्स डू नॉट रिॲक्ट विथ dilute acids, dilute bases, reducing agent or the oxidizing agents. इथर्स हे ॲक्वियस सोल्युशनमध्ये न्यूट्रल असल्यामुळे त्यांची कोल्ड ॲसिड बरोबर, बेसेस बरोबर, डायल्यूट नायट्रिक ॲसिड किंवा त्याचबरोबर ऑक्सिडायझिंग रिड्युसिंग एजंट आणि ॲक्टिव्ह मेटल्स बरोबर रिॲक्शन होत नाहीत. हेन्स these ethers react with concentrated sulfuric acid to form the oxonium salt. मात्र इथर हा जर कॉन्सन्ट्रेटेड सल्फ्युरिक ॲसिड बरोबर रिॲक्ट केला तर मात्र तो काय तयार करतो, ऑक्झोनियम सॉल्ट तयार करतो. सो वेन दिस इथर रिॲक्ट विथ कॉन्सन्ट्रेटेड सल्फ्युरिक acid to form the oxonium salt. How is it? So let's see the reaction. Ether represented as R, O, R dash. R and R dash may be same or unequal. Okay. When these react with concentrated sulfuric acid, it gives H plus ion as a active species. Okay, so only here we can use the active species from that H2SO4. So here we can write it as H2SO4. So it forms the oxonium cation or the salt. How is it? This one is the R, O, R dash. It gives H plus. So it gives the H plus ion. HSO4 मायनस. शिल्लक काय काय स्पेसिस राहिलेत पहा या ठिकाणी. R, OH प्लस R dash, HSO4 minus. So this one is the oxonium salt. Okay, in this way when the ether react with concentrated sulfuric acid, it forms the ऑक्झोनियम साल्ट. आपल्याला या पद्धतीनं ऑक्झोनियम साल्ट हा या ठिकाणी तयार होत असतो. दिस प्रॉपर्टी डिस्टिंग्विशेस फ्रॉम इथर फ्रॉम हायड्रोकार्बन. ह्या प्रॉपर्टीमुळे आपल्याला इथर्स आणि हायड्रोकार्बन्स हे काय करता येतात, डिस्टिंग्विश करता येतात, सेपरेट करता येतात किंवा आपल्याला त्याच्यामधला डिफरन्स या ठिकाणी पाहता येतो. ओके, सो दिस वन इज द लॅबोरेटरी टेस्ट फॉर ethers. This one is the laboratory test for ethers. This property is useful to distinguish the ether from hydrocarbons. हायड्रोकार्बन्स पेक्षा इथर कसे वेगळे आहेत हे आपल्याला या ठिकाणी डिस्टिंग्विश करता येतं. सो दिस वन इज द लॅबोरेटरी टेस्ट फॉर इथर्स. नेक्स्ट वन, रिॲक्शन इन्व्हॉल्विंग अल्किल ग्रुप ऑफ इथर. अशा रिॲक्शन आहेत की याच्यामध्ये अल्किल ग्रुपमधला इथर पुन्हा त्या ठिकाणी प्रोडक्टमध्ये आपल्याला पाहायला मिळणार आहे. सो इन दॅट रिॲक्शन वी विल सी द रिॲक्शन फॉर्मेशन ऑफ परऑक्साईड. याच्यामध्ये आपण बघणार आहोत फॉर्मेशन ऑफ पेरॉक्साईड. peroxide. Okay, how is it? So when ether react with atmospheric oxygen, when ether react with atmospheric oxygen in presence of a long contact with air to form the peroxide, this form peroxide is hazardous. तयार झालेले जे काही पेरॉक्साईड या रिॲक्शन मध्ये हे व्हेरी हॅझार्डस असतं बिकॉज दे डिकम्पोज व्हायलेंटली ॲट हाय टेम्परेचर. ते हाय टेम्परेचरला काय होत असतं तर डिकम्पोज होत असतं. सो दॅट्स वाय दीज आर द व्हेरी हॅझार्डस. सो लेट्स सी द रिॲक्शन. हिअर वी विल टेक वन एक्झाम्पल. डायइथिल इथर. Formula CH3 CH2O CH2 CH3. What is the name of compound? Diethyl ether. Diethyl ether. Long contact with the presence of air. हवेच्या सानिध्यामध्ये काय झाला, हा खूप वेळ राहिला. Long contact with air, it forms the ethyl peroxide or the peroxide of diethyl ether. In this reaction, this oxygen add to the carbon number 2, so it forms the like that CH3 CH OOH O CH2 CH3. What is the name of compound? Peroxide of diethyl ether. Diethyl ether. कशाचे पेरॉक्साईड तयार झालेत? डायइथिल इथरचे पेरॉक्साईड या ठिकाणी तयार झालेले आहेत. सो दिस वन इज द पेरॉक्साईड ऑफ डायइथिल इथर अँड दिस फॉर्म peroxide is hazardous because they decompose at high temperature. So all ethers which have been exposed to the atmospheric contain peroxide. This is very undesirable reactions. So this one is the reaction involving alkyl group of ether. याच्यामध्ये यातले अल्किल ग्रुप पुन्हा त्याच्यामध्ये इन्व्हॉल्व झालेत. सो दॅट्स वाय दिस इज द रिॲक्शन इन्व्हॉल्विंग of alkyl group. Okay, then next one, reaction involving CO bond. अशा रिॲक्शन की ज्याच्यामध्ये कार्बन आणि ऑक्सिजन बॉन्ड हा काय असणार आहे, इन्व्हॉल्व असणार आहे. सो लेट्स सी द रिॲक्शन इन्व्हॉल्विंग ऑफ CO bond which include again 3 types of reaction. First one, reaction with concentrated sulfuric acid or the hydrolysis. First one, reaction with hot sulfuric acid or it is also called as the hydrolysis. So first of all, reaction with hot sulfuric acid. It is also called the hydrolysis. What is the meaning of hydrolysis? Hydrolysis means addition of water molecule in presence of a H2SO4 or the acid. वॉटरची ॲडिशन करायची आपल्याला कशाच्या प्रेझेन्समध्ये, ॲसिडच्या प्रेझेन्समध्ये. दिस वन इज कॉल्ड ॲज द हायड्रॉलिसिस. लेट्स सी द रिॲक्शन. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी गिव्ह द simple ether or the symmetrical ether. React with water molecule HOH in presence of a acid. Heat it. Now it forms the 2 molecules of alcohol. Now या ठिकाणी हा बॉन्ड ब्रेक झाला. सपोज याला काय अटॅच केला, H, याला काय अटॅच केला, OH. सो व्हॉट इज द प्रोडक्ट? ROH plus ROH. So here 2 moles of alcohols are formed. What is the example? Now here we will take the example dimethyl ether. Dimethyl ether react with water molecule in presence of sulfuric acid. It forms the मिथिल अल्कोहोल की ज्याचे किती मोल्स मिळतील आपल्याला 2. इन दिस वे दिस इथर इज कन्वर्टेड इनटू अल्कोहोल. नेक्स्ट रिएक्शन मिक्स इथर बरोबर. दिस वन इज द सिंपल इथर. नेक्स्ट वन मिक्स्ड ROR dash plus addition of water molecule in presence of a sulfuric acid, heat it. Now here it forms the two different types of alcohol, means ROH plus R dash OH. What is the example? Example is here ethyl methyl ether react with water molecule in presence of a sulfuric acid. Now it forms the methyl alcohol and the ethyl alcohol. So when the symmetrical ether reacts with H2SO4, it forms the two different types of alcohol. So this one is the mixed simple ether reaction. Next one, aryl alkyl ether. Okay, react with HOH. In presence of a sulfuric acid, it gives H plus ions. That's why we can write here only H plus ions. Okay, so it forms the phenol and alcohol. So this one is the reaction of or the reaction with hot H2SO4. अशा पद्धतीने आपल्याला ही रिॲक्शन या ठिकाणी पाहायला मिळते. सो दिस वन इज द reaction with hot sulfuric acid with ether molecule. Next one, reaction with phosphorus pentachloride. Next one, reaction with phosphorus pentachloride. Okay, next one, reaction with phosphorus pentachloride. PCl5 phosphorus pentachloride बरोबर reaction पाहिजे. So when ether simple or the mixed ether reacts with phosphorus pentachloride, it forms the alkyl halide. How is it? So let's see the reaction. ROR dash react with phosphorus pentachloride. It forms RCl, R dash Cl and POCl3. So here two different alkyl halides are created. What is the example? Here we will take example methyl CH3 C2H5 ethyl methyl ether react with phosphorus pentachloride. It gives first one CH3Cl, second one C2H5Cl plus next one POCl3. What is the name here? Methyl chloride. Here ethyl chloride. So here two different types of alkyl halides are prepared. So this one is the reaction with phosphorus pentachloride. Next one, this one is the reaction with phosphorus pentachloride. Last one, reaction with halo acids. Reaction with halo acids. Alkyl ethers react with hot and concentrated HI and HBr to give an alcohol and alkyl halide. Alkyl halide आणि अल्कोहोल या ठिकाणी आपल्याला प्रिपेअर होत असतं. सो लेट्स सी द रिॲक्शन. रिॲक्शन विथ halo acids. Reaction with halo acids like HX. So when ether react with HX, first of all it create R dash plus X. Next one, ROH. This again react with halo acid. It forms the alkyl halide. In this way, when halo acid react with ether, it forms the alkyl halide and the alcohol. It again reacts, it gives the alkyl halide. In this reactivity of halogen or the halide is Hi is greater than HBr, HBr is greater than HCl. This one is the reactivity of halo acids. म्हणजे HI ची ॲडिशन कंपेअर्ड टू HCl पेक्षा जास्त होते किंवा त्याची रिॲक्टिव्हिटी याच्यामध्ये जास्त असते. In case of aryl alkyl halide, the bond between oxygen and benzene ring is the more stronger. That's why the breaking of OH and O and aryl group is not possible. So here it forms the alcohol and the alkyl halide. So let's see the reaction. When aryl alkyl ether, that is name phenyl methyl ether, its also name is anisole, react with haloiodic acid HI, hydroiodic acid HI. Heat it at 390 degree Kelvin temperature. So the bond between oxygen and benzene ring is shorter, so the bond becomes stronger. That's why the breaking of this bond is not possible. So the breaking of bond between C and O, so this H attaches to the oxygen and this group attaches to the iodine and it forms the alcohol OH plus CH3I, methyl iodide. This one is the phenol and this one is the methyl iodide. Okay, so this reaction is the reaction with halo acid. Okay student, so in this way today we discuss about the point chemical properties of ether. In that we discuss the laboratory test of ether, in which we can say the ethers are the neutral compounds in aqueous medium, so they do not react with dilute acids, bases, reducing agent, oxidizing agent. Okay, so it forms react with concentrated sulfuric acid to form the oxonium salt. Next one, reaction involving alkyl group of ether, which includes the peroxide reaction. Third one, reaction involving CO bond, which includes the reaction with hot sulfuric acid, reaction with phosphorus pentachloride and reaction with halo acids. Okay, these are the some chemical properties of ethers. Remaining properties of chemical ether like electrophilic substitution reaction, etc. This part will be discussed in next video lecture. Thank you.